The ocean, a vast universe brimming with all forms of life, bursting with colors and shapes we barely see from the outside. It conceals billions of creatures interacting in ways we will never fully understand. It is mysterious and inviting, all at the same time. Let's take the explorer in us through a voyage to discover its wonders and enjoy its immensity. Let's go sailing and snorkeling. Let's swim with whale sharks and sea lions. Let's go whale watching and scuba diving. Let's celebrate its breathtaking beauty.